Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to clear DNS in Google Chrome. To know how to fix that problem, you have just follow me step by step. First, we will go to Google Chrome as you see, and we will enter here. In this page, you will go to this sign. Here you will write, or you will go to a specific link is Chrome, as you see here, Chrome, 2 dots like this, 2 slashes, net internals, as you see, and you will enter to it like this. Here in this page you will find this list where DNS appear here. You will click on DNS. After that, you will go to the sign of portrait here to rotate, as you see, auto rotate, and then you will rotate your phone, so in that way you will go to this window here of clear host cache, as you see, and then you will clear it. Just keep in your mind, maybe you cannot get or receive notifications, but it will definitely clear if you clear your unclear host cache. So in that way you can know how to clear your DNS in Google Chrome. If this video helped you and if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.